Have you guys been using the Character AI app and wondering on how to change the language on it? Then don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change language in the Character AI app. So let's dive right in. First of all, open the Character AI app just like this. Then you will see something like this. Now to change the language, tap onto Chats button right here, just like this. Then here you can find your profile icon at the top, just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the settings option. Now tap on it. Then to change the language, simply scroll down and here you can find the option of English right here. Now select it. Now from here you can simply change the language according to your preference. Now choose the one language that you want to add just like this. And now you can see the language has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change the language in the Character AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.